Hey guys, just a really quick video here on what a 2019 Ford 6.7 Powerstroke sounds like with a 4-inch exhaust. This is a 4-inch exhaust with muffler. It's Flo-Pro's kit. I'll show you the muffler. It's pretty small. It's only about 20 inches long. It's just like a little resonator. And then we got just a 5-inch tip on the exhaust. So we'll fire it up and see how she sounds. This is just at an idle. I'll go rev it up now. Well, that's kind of what she sounds like. It'd probably be a little bit better if I had a guy actually driving the truck, taking a video, but I'm by myself here. So guys ask me all the time what exhaust they should put on their truck, and honestly, there's not a whole lot of difference. There's going to be no difference in airflow. I think if the truck is lifted, then go with a 5-inch because it just looks better. And if it's not lifted, then it really doesn't matter. 4-inch is cheaper. I think the 4-inch is a little more kind of higher pitched tone in my opinion, and the 5-inch is a little bit more deeper throaty. They both sound great. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.